These phone cases are too heavy and they turn yellow too easily. I had to find it the hard way that they don't really protect your phone. Now let's take a look at MagicJohn's brand new phone case. This phone case covers your phone all around with elevated camera lenses, with airbound technology on the corners, even your buttons and your speakers. It does feature a hidden kickstand on the back that can be adjusted and can be used horizontally, vertically, 360 degrees rotation. When it is closed, it is completely flat with its very nice frosted back panel. It doesn't interfere with anything. At the same time, it does feature very strong N52 magnets and works with all MagSafe compatible accessories too. It does come in various colors and fits perfectly with our screen protectors.